Hello, hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, January the 7th, 2022. We have here 6 extra puzzles, and those are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku. I've just solved this a minute ago. Then the tectonic with 4 stars, and we'll do this later after the binary. This is the binary. We have a tectonic with 1 star. Yes, those are the 6 extra puzzles. It's time for your binary puzzle, boys and girls. And this will be number, where's my pencil? Yes, red pencil, number 3947. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then now I need to think. Yeah. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have a first O, second O, third O, and a fourth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are the 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow. This one without any comparing. Yes, without any comparing. I've managed without any comparing. A fast one to solve. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. A puzzle with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.